Another daily tip. As many of you have pointed out, these darn light bulbs, they have to go. First off, they don't match the new lights, but they also give off terrible lighting. So let's remove this bulb and the housing and throw it right in the dumpster. It's usually just as easy as a couple clips inside, just like this. And now you've got the hardest part done, because now you just simply screw in the new one. And that's why they call it a retrofit. No need for a Sparky. Look at us go. We're just saving that money now. You can even change the color from soft to daylight. Now let's head upstairs and see what Callan's working on for the weekend. Remember all those staples from last episode? My boy Callan, he's taking care of them. And now, as we know, we can't put tile over top of plywood, so we're going to use this uncoupling membrane. So what you can see here is Callan and I are just doing a dry fit. We're cutting it where it's too full, cutting around the door jambs. We're going to cut around the toilet mark there. And as you can see, Callan hasn't put down the mud trowel yet, so you know he's going to be doing that soon. Once we have it nicely dry fitted, what we're going to do is roll it up and we're going to put the fin set right on the floor. Of course, I want to get it started right next to the tub because I really don't want to clean that off the tub, but as promised, here he goes. Let's take a quick second to admire his outfit. Even complete with the Mario shoes. At just 5 years old, he dresses exactly like a flooring guy. Once Callan gets all the mud on the floor, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a board and we're gonna press down all of this membrane. Once this is all in and the thin set below it is nice and cured, tiling over this stuff is an absolute dream. The wife, boss, interior designer has the tile picked out, so we're gonna be installing that shortly. And of course, off camera, we're also working on the master bath. We're getting that ready. We're not tiling yet, but once we do, I'll bring you along. I think we have one more week left before the kitchen counters come in too. The finished goods are coming. I know it takes a lot to prep these places, but I really do appreciate your guys' patience. Have a good night, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.